You can define relationships between items using the Related Item mode. Make sure you have selected the mode corresponding to the Related Item template. This mode uses a custom API, which is not supported by Oracle. Relationship is at the master item level only. You cannot have related items at the child organization level. Using this mode, you can create relationships between items that exist in Oracle. An item can have a relationship with multiple items. It can also have multiple relationship types with the same item. Duplicates are not allowed. A duplicate is the same item and relationship type combination, or a reciprocal relationship for the same relationship type. Updates are also not allowed in this mode. You have multiple options to create your dataset. You can type the data in. You can use Excel formula. You can also bring up the user form if you need to take a closer look at one of the relationship. You can bring up the user form from the main ribbon or by double-clicking on any record you'd like to see. All your Oracle setup will be automatically retrieved here. The yellow fields are mandatory. When closing the user form, it will perform validation. You can also accelerate your data entry using the default values feature. Anything you put on the row number 10 will default on the blank rows below. Of course, you can always override this default value for certain records. When your dataset is ready, you have two options. You can validate the dataset only, or validate and upload. Then you can upload a selection that you will have previously highlighted with your cursor, or you can upload everything on this tab, choosing Upload All. The wizard will start with validation and upload only the valid records to Oracle as accepted. The incorrect records are highlighted in red. You can also see an error message to help you correct the error. You can bring up the user form, if necessary, to take a look at the list of values for the items. Choose a valid combination. Then enter a date for this record. After correcting the errors, you can reprocess these two rows only. Highlight the two rows and choose Upload Selected.